Waitomo Papakāinga is a trailblazer. Steeped in whanaungatanga, this family-centred powerhouse of community development works right across their community to nurture and grow the hauora of whānau. The E Tū Whānau kaupapa and values are woven into the fabric of what they do. They reverberate through all of their mahi, exemplifying te manakaha o te whānau, the power and strength of the whānau.
Waitomo Papakāinga is an organisation that came out of a need in our hapori.
It's about our tino rangatiratanga.
But more, it was about whanaungatanga.
Being Māori and living how we are as Māori.
We need to become more responsible for our own, and they need to become more responsible too. We're in there for the long run, and we're going to stay there. Reinstating the hauora of our whānau, because we think that our people, got so much potential. That's what we want to do. We want to grow our community and make it a healthy community, sustainable, to bring our hauora back to where it should be.